Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am explaining you how to make a Facebook live streaming using an OBS. And in my earlier videos, I have already explained how to install an OBS in a desktop. Please do check my earlier videos, you will come to know. Now, today I am explaining you how to go for a Facebook live streaming using this OBS platform. First and foremost thing, you need to go for navigate your cursor to settings. After navigating your cursor to the settings, you need to navigate your cursor again to the stream part of the settings. In this, you need to select a Facebook live and the stream key part I am going to explain within few seconds. And you need to check the video bitrate, that is this base resolution and output resolution should be one and the same, that is 1820 1280 and into 720, and the output is also the same. After doing that, you go to navigate your cursor to output. Here you need to select a video bitrate minimum 3000 kbps, that is a 4 mbps or 3 mbps and above, and this should be audio bitrate should always be more than 128 to get a good audio clarity. This path recording quality should always be same as a stream. High quality medium file size you can select as per your quality. If I am selecting the same as a stream, so click on OK. Now I'm going to show you how to take a streaming key from the Facebook. So navigate to your page in the Facebook and click on live. As soon as you click here, you're going to see a page here with some technical information with a use stream key, use camera, and use parent encoder. First, you need to copy this stream key and copy this stream key and go to the settings part here and go navigate your cursor to stream part and paste the same streaming key which you have copied from the Facebook. Click OK. Now it has been done, and you need to click on start streaming option in the OBS. As soon as you click on the start streaming, the capture window which I mentioned here, even related to how to capture a window, has also been explained in my earlier videos. Please do subscribe and watch the previous videos to know how to take a video capture. I'll explain you how why we are making a window capture here. And now I'll start streaming here and click the start streaming option from the OBS. Now you can able to see this drop frames live recording. As of now I am not doing CPU and this frame rate, that is 30 frames per second, and the bandwidth is also good for 1000 kbps. So this is 4 mbps the data is utilization. So this is the frame which I'm capturing, because if you can utilize to capture the any platform, Gmeet, Vasco, WebEx or anything, we can broadcast these meetings to on air using this OBS for Facebook as well as YouTube. YouTube was already explained in my previous video. Please do kind watch my video in my previous channel. So after this, I'll navigate my cursor to the YouTube, Facebook page. In the basic things, basic settings like a stream is also end live video if the stream stops. This is the setting auto, and everything will be by default. It will be showing. Allow viewers to rewind. It should be allowed, and comments. If you want viewers to comment, you can restrict them by clicking on this radio button. As of now, I'll show you how to go for a live in this. Um, in this page, you need to give a title for this, and you need to say something about this live. Then only you're going to see in a go live, that is a blue color button, that is go live option. Until unless you mention the title and this, after pressing on the go live, your page will going to reflect the stream. Now you can able to see this page which I captured using OBS. This is the OBS. This is how we make a live streaming using the Facebook. Until unless you make the press this button, this page will not be going live. As of now, I have just made it for explanation purpose. Thanks for watching my channel.